Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you might wonder why I'm standing here on the Packhorse Bridge near Rodley. So today is our wedding anniversary. So a lot of people may know that Amanda's been banging on about a Cavapoo, which is a little fluffy teddy bear dog, for a long time. Day in, day out. Where's my Cavapoo? I want a Cavapoo. I'd love a Cavapoo. I need a Cavapoo. That's all I've ever heard. Cavapoo, Cavapoo. So, apart from getting a few little gifts on our anniversary, we are today getting a Cavapoo. So, there's going to be a big reveal later in the video. But before that, I'm going to go home and I'm going to show you all the bits and pieces that we've bought for our little Cavapoo, who has already been named Poppy. So let's go home and have a look at the bits and pieces that we've got, and then we'll meet Poppy later on today. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back home and Amanda's not woken yet, which is good, because I'm going to show you all the bits and pieces that have been bought so far for little Poppy. So let's have a look. And here we've got this little important leading collar. There we go. Don't have any doubt about that whatsoever. So as you can see, personalised toy box with lots of bits and pieces in it. So let's have a look. So we've got I think that's a squeaky, little fluffy thing, looks like a dog bone. I think most of these do squeak. And that squeaks. That's a little toy. There. Right in here. Little bunny rabbit. Does it squeak? I don't know. Not sure actually. But pink naturally. What else have we got? That squeaks as well. It's nice. We've got a few teething things. We've got a bag full of chew toys. Yeah, perfect for puppies. Yes. Yeah, chew toys. And we've got another teething thing there in the shape of a bone. We've got piggy thing, piggy toy. We've got another pink thing, a little donut. Again, I'm guessing for teething. This is it a blanket comforter or something? Trim big little one. Yeah, that's nice. Kind of a little blanket thing. Not sure what's in there yet. We've got this little teething thingy. So opening this bag, we've got first poo bag dispenser. All important, because anybody that's seen some of our previous videos, Mandy goes absolutely nuts when she sees poo being discarded everywhere, other than the doggy bin. I'm assuming that's like a portable water thing to drink out of. What we got? All you need is love in your Cavapoo. I'm guessing that's to put your bits and pieces in. Whatever. And little harness. It's nice. Nice colour as well. So yeah, that's what's in the bag. So let's have a look at the little doggy bed. Okay, so here we have a lovely little soft doggy bed. It's right for a little puppy. You can see nice design there. And there's a teddy bear we've got to go in it. Oh, yeah. Probably a similar colour to puppy. And squeaky toy. So that's a doggy bed. So there we go. I think we're almost set up, and when she arrives, my son's bringing some more bits and pieces that we need, puppy pads, etc., and puppy food, and treats and stuff like that. So let's get ready. So my son should be arriving any moment now. Just around the corner. I've been tracking him on WhatsApp. I am quite nervous, but it's going to be one hell of a surprise for the panda. Here he comes now, in the car. Where is it? There, with Poppy. I'll catch you in a bit. What's the panda's reaction? Yeah. It's got bigger apparently.
Chucky. A little present for you. Happy anniversary! You didn't think I'd forgotten, did you? That's my Chucky! Yeah! No! That's my Chucky! Yeah! God, no, this is real! It is? Oh, there you go! Okay. There we go! What's your gorgeous? Yeah. What's she gonna eat? Whatever she wants. This is Poppy! Yeah!